Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a very simple video where I'll be showing you how to achieve a full fro in 5 minutes or less. So I'm starting off on already moisturized hair. This is actually a continuation from my previous video where I showed you how to take down twists. So I'm just going to go ahead from there. My hair is already moisturized and I'm moisturized using my fingers. My fingers are still oily, so I moisturized using my homemade whipped shea butter. For this I am going to be using a few more things, including my pick comb. I have my rat tail comb, and then I have a white tooth comb just in case. Then I have a mirror, and then I'm supposed to have a satin scarf just in case I need to shape my fro to perfection, which I don't think I want to do for this video. Okay, but I'll just get right to it. So this is my hair right after the twist take down. The first thing I'm going to do is brush my edges back. Then I'm going to start with my using my pick comb. I'm just going to fluff my hair from the roots. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use my rat tail comb, the rat tail end, and then continue to pick my hair out from my edges. The reason I'm doing this is so that it doesn't form up in the shape of a mushroom, but it's actually a fro from my ends to my roots, or from my roots to my ends, the other way around. Now, this video wasn't going to happen, to be 100% honest with you guys, but I decided that in spite of the bad lighting that I was facing today, I was still going to do my best to do this full fro and put out this video. Okay, so the best thing to do to get a full fro shaped all round, what am I saying? So the best thing to do to get a very round full fro is to go ahead with a satin bonnet and then put that over your hair. Yeah, and then you get the perfect shape. But honestly, I don't like that perfect shape. I like my hair I actually like my hair all over the place, but still I really don't go for the whole round shaped fro thing. So I just like to make mine look a bit uneven. So for the rest of it, you're just going to go ahead and keep picking and fluffing until your hair is just the way you want it. That will be all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and tap the little bell beside the subscribe button so that whenever I post new content, you'll be the first one to know. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment in the section below. Check out all my other videos and share this video and this channel link with all of your friends.